In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record and add voiceover in CapCut on PC. If you want to narrate your video directly inside CapCut and get clean, high-quality audio without leaving the editor, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. CapCut has a built-in voice recording feature on PC, and once you know where it is and how to set it up properly, the whole process becomes very fast and smooth. To begin, open the Voiceover tool. First, move your playhead to the exact point where you want your narration to start. This is important because CapCut will begin recording from that position, so placing it correctly helps keep your voiceover aligned with your video right from the start. Once your playhead is in place, look at the toolbar directly above the timeline and click the microphone. Record icon. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts to work faster, you can also press Ctrl+R. When the VoiceOver panel opens, take a moment to set up your microphone correctly. In the Input Device section, choose the microphone you want to use. If you have more than one mic connected, make sure you select the correct one before recording, since this can affect your audio quality right away. After that, turn on Echo Reduction. This helps reduce room reverb and can make your voice sound cleaner and more controlled, especially if you're recording in a space that isn't fully sound-treated. Also enable Mute Project. This is very helpful because it prevents your video's background audio from playing through your speakers and getting picked up by your microphone during recording. Once everything is set, you're ready to record. Click the large red record button, wait for the countdown from 3, and then start narrating while your video plays in real time. Try to speak clearly and at a steady pace so your voice stays easy to understand and naturally matches the visuals. When you're finished, click Stop. CapCut will instantly place your recorded voiceover onto the audio timeline for you. From there, you can fine-tune it as needed. You can drag the voiceover clip to adjust its position, trim the beginning or end to clean it up, or open the audio panel in the top right corner to apply noise reduction for an even cleaner sound. And that's it! You've successfully recorded and added a voiceover in CapCut on PC.